Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage risk with AIG Insurance, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the concept of risk management is crucial for both individuals and businesses. AIG Insurance offers various solutions to help mitigate these risks effectively. The first step is to identify the risks relevant to your situation. Consider factors such as your environment, industry, and personal circumstances. Next, evaluate the potential impact of each risk. Determine how these risks could affect your finances, health, or business operations. Once you've identified and evaluated your risks, the next step is to explore insurance solutions offered by AIG. AIG provides a range of products, from personal insurance to commercial insurance policies. Take the time to understand the different types of coverage available. This could include property insurance, liability insurance, or specialized coverage for unique risks. After that, analyze which policies best align with your specific needs. Consider the coverage limits, exclusions, and premiums associated with each policy. Engage with an AIG insurance representative for expert guidance in selecting the right coverage. They can provide insights and help clarify any questions you might have. Once you've chosen a policy, the next important step is to accurately assess your coverage needs. Make sure to review your policies regularly as your situation evolves. Life changes, such as marriage, buying a home, or starting a business, can affect your risk profile. Update your insurance coverage to ensure it meets your current needs. Also, consider implementing additional risk management strategies. This could involve adopting safety protocols, investing in security systems, or simply maintaining your property. Document everything related to your insurance, from policy details to communication with your insurer. Keep records of your claims process, should you need to file one in the future. Lastly, continuously educate yourself about risk management and insurance trends. Stay informed about new products and changes in the insurance landscape. By proactively managing risk with AIG Insurance, you can safeguard your assets and gain peace of mind. This comprehensive approach enables you to navigate uncertainties more effectively. In conclusion, effective risk management involves identifying, evaluating, and mitigating risks through informed insurance choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.